Huh? Now we're in it. Now we're under one.
Issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Hendricks County, Marion County, northeastern Marion County until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:32 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Mooresville and moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Indianapolis, Plainfield, Speedway, Southport, Beach Grove, Cami, Indianapolis International Airport, Homecroft, Windale,
Beach Grove,
Circle, Spring Hill, Rocky Ripple, Crow's Nest, North Crow's Nest, Indiana State Fairgrounds, Broad Ripple, and Warren Park. This includes Interstate 65 between mile markers 101 and 118. This includes Interstate 70 between mile markers 63 and 90. This includes Interstate 74 between mile markers 93 and 100. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Hendricks, Marion, and Morgan.
Okay then.
80?
I'm under it. Marion County.
Over 5 miles.
See if anyone else is going on.
Let's stay with Kevin.
Yeah, I know. I'd
Trying to get 2 and 1. Probably ain't gonna happen.
Appropriate folks are there, and hopefully we get these two in custody without incident quicker than later.
all the focus is on this.
I don't see it. It's coming through. It's right over there. Right where that little opening is. I don't know.
Being a former manhunter for many years, I would if this to death. I mean,
Something cheaper than that.